Character design is essential, and not just in illustration, but in animation, comics, and games too. Beginners tend to avoid drawing human characters, and I get it. Humans are the most difficult subjects to draw. We see humans every day, so if we draw something off, it will be pretty obvious to everyone. But do you know what's great? Even though there are some universal truths that I will be teaching you in this class, everybody is unique and there isn't a correct universal way how to draw a character. And in this class, you will have the possibility to discover your way of drawing human characters. Hi, my name is Alexandra, aka The Art Mother. I'm an artist, illustrator, online educator, and I have taught over 65,000 students worldwide with my online classes. I mostly teach digital illustration, and my students love my classes because I make complicated art topics easy for beginners and dry art theory exciting and fun. In this class, I will be teaching you a step-by-step pro workflow that can get you any time from an empty page and a creative block to a fully developed character design concept like this one. By the end of this class, you will be ready to draw a human character of any age, sex, and personality. I'm pretty excited to teach this class because character design is the most fun part for me in digital illustration. It also had the biggest roadblocks for me that I had to overcome on my artistic journey, and I'm still learning and evolving. This class was created with beginners in mind, so we will be focusing on basics and essentials. We will go through topics like shape language and proportions. We will be doing a lot of sketching and thumbnailing. I will show you how to work with value and color. And lastly, I will show you how do I personally illustrate my artworks, and you can take away as much from it as you wish. As a class project, we will develop a full concept for a human character, and we will illustrate this human character as well. Placing this character to an environment or to a functional artwork will be optional, but definitely a possibility. I'm super happy to get started, aren't you? Well, see you inside the class.